Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a balloon candy cane and the gift box of the season. Here are my inflated balloons. I'm using red and white for the balloon candy cane. And this is a PVC pipe and a lamp stand. Attaching the PVC pipe with a tape to hold it firmly in place so that it doesn't pull up while installing the balloons in place. So I'm using the tape to hold it firmly in place. Now arranging our balloons in quadruple, 2 colors each, and then arranging them on the lamp stand. Remember to flip it over. This helps the firmness of the balloon onto the lamp stand. Continue the arrangement like that, upward, 2 reds and 2 whites, making sure that they are in alternating colors. So this is what we have, friends. Our balloons arranged in alternating colors up the lamp stand. Now, in order for us to be able to arrange our balloons on our PVC, I decided to straighten the PVC pipe, arrange the balloons on them in order to get the correct order, and then we would bend it back. So the first thing is to arrange our balloons without bending the pipe. Our candy is not a candy without it being bent, right? So we are going to arrange our balloons first, making sure we maintain our consistency of the arrangement. And then, after making sure the balloons are well arranged, we have this. You see that the consistency is there. And now we can conveniently and comfortably bend our balloon on the top there to get our candy cane. I'm sure you're going to love this, guys. So I'm now going to bend the pipe in order to get our candy cane. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell in order to be notified when we have new videos, lovely tutorials that would help with your party, your indoor events, your outdoor events. So this is what we have, friends, and I eventually made 2 candy canes, and I'll be installing them one on each side of our wall. And now it's time to make our balloon gift box. I'm using 4 white balloons as the base, the 12-inch balloons, and then installing the 5-inch balloon using the 12-inch balloons, knotting it to the 5-inch balloons. This would help it be firm. I'm not using a ribbon or the long balloon to attach it. Just the tip of the balloon itself, knotted together helped it to be in place, and that's what I'm repeating on the top of the box. So installing the next 4 balloons using the balloon under, knotting it together, and our box is getting formed already. Now we are using our long balloon as a ribbon round the box. 2 long balloons attached together at each end in order to have a longer balloon, and then passing it around the box. Yeah, our balloon box is getting formed, right? So knotting it together, just twist it round, and then over the other end as well. Now it's time to make our ribbon on top of our box. Just fold the long balloon into 2 and twist it in the middle. And then twist the upper part in order to form our ribbon. It's easy, right? Alright then, so our ribbon is formed, and we'll attach the ribbon with a long balloon to hold it firmly in place on the box. And that's it, friends. We have our balloon gift box ready and ready to be presented. This is what we have, friends. I have the backdrop, and then our gift boxes and our candy cane on both ends. Let me know what you think about this decoration, friends. This can be used both indoor and outdoor. It can be used for any occasion as well, but most especially during this festive period, it's a perfect design, both indoor and outdoor. Once again, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell in order to be notified when we have new videos. And now I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year ahead. We hope that 2021 would be better, more beautiful, more prosperous, and a wonderful year for everyone. Leave your comments in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, friends. Thank you for watching. God bless you.